Gene, definition, the fundamental unit of heredity, formed as a sequence of bases in DNA. Characteristics of genes: each gene has a definite position at the chromosome and may occur as alleles. The name gene was introduced by Johansen in 1909 and the structure of DNA was elaborated by Watson and Crick in 1953. Genes determine all the structural and functional characters of an individual, like eye color, skin color, height, weight, blood group, hair, intelligence, temperament, and all others. The characters from one generation to other are taken by genes. They sometimes change through the process of mutation. This gives variety in characters. The accurate structure of the proteins and enzymes in the body is determined by genes.